Here we go, campers. First light. The house is still standing. I hear something out here. Oh, hell yeah. What the? Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Big peaks outside. It's about a 2.5 foot tide right now. Let's walk around here to the back of that house here. My apartment's back here. There's the weight room. Baja 1000 runs right outside this fence. Here's my old water tank. We got water meters now. So there's a swell. Boy, the tide seems a lot higher than I would think. It sure is pretty out here. I saw waves breaking outside further a minute ago. Not exactly what I expected. Huh. Because low tide is already gone. This, like outside here in front of the house, you take off up there, surf it down, past the ship, and then another couple hundred yards or further down to the last houses. It's quite a long ride when it's set up on a west swell. No problem with the crowds. Yeah, it's just kind of little tabs here and there, nothing really connecting. I'm sure up at Quattro it's going to be just unbelievable. Robert's Lefts is probably working, well, maybe not, too south. Okay, that's it, campers. I'm going to go visit the dog shelter and see my puppy. And then I'm going to have breakfast with Rick and then get some waves. Adios. Hurricane Rosa, September 30, 2018.